And I was on vacation in Rio, Brazil, and I got hit by a bus in a taxi. We got T-boned. I was in the hospital in Brazil for 2 weeks. Couldn't do anything myself, so I had to come back to the US. Yeah, I mean, when I first started, I couldn't do anything. You know, as I progressed and got stronger and better, learned to walk, learned to use all of my limbs. Nobody would, looking at me, would know that I was in a car accident of that magnitude 7 years ago.
So I had really bad pain in my deltoid muscle and was having difficulty lifting my arm. I had gone to the doctor and they first diagnosed me with frozen shoulder. And so I came for physical therapy for that, but we then realized that it was more than that. Come for physical therapy for quite a while, and was actually glad I did that, because once we identified that my rotator cuff needed to be surgically repaired, I was really in great shape, great endurance, great strength going into the surgery, which decreased my amount of time for recovery post-op. I have full mobility, and I tell anybody that's going into rotator cuff surgery to be doing any exercise they can ahead of time to get themselves ready and stick with the therapy. Because today, I don't, other than every once in a while when my dog jumps on my shoulder area, do I even remember I had surgery, because I've got great dexterity right back where I had hoped I would be before surgery.
We're improving the quality of people's lives by providing unmatched experiences, clinical excellence, and lifelong relationships. Visit ptsmc.com today to schedule your appointment.